It's Tandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be unboxing some phone cases from the brand Sonix. I want to give a huge thank you to Sonix for sending me these cases. So Sonix sent me 4 beautiful cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. These cases seem really high quality and I cannot wait to unbox them. All of these cases are from Sonix's Clear Coat series. So I'm going to start off by unboxing this case. It has a beautiful constellation kind of star theme to it, and I think it's super duper cute. So this is what the case's packaging looks like. It's this beautiful coral and cream color, and then on the back of the packaging there's some information about the cases, such as how it's drop test certified, how it has raised shock absorbent sides for screen protection, how it has a beveled camera hole design for lens protection, and how it has a scratch resistant protective coating on it. Now I'm going to open the case. So this is what the case looks like straight out of the packaging. The first thing that I'm noticing is how strong the plastic is, which is really good. Inside the case, there's a piece of paper, which basically opens up and has some information about the warranty. I absolutely love clear phone cases, and I especially like how this has like the gold metallic-y look to it. So I have my phone right here, and now I'm going to put my phone inside the case. So this is what the case looks like on my phone. I especially love the way that the metallic gold and silver designs on the case go with the silver color of my phone. I also like the way that the case has the frosted sides. I think that's a nice touch. And also, I like how the case is thin but not flimsy, so your phone doesn't feel bulky and you're still being able to be assured that your phone is protected by this case. I absolutely love the color gold, and I love anything that has to do with like space and stuff like that, so this case is definitely one that I really like. Next, I'm going to be unboxing this case, which has a beautiful pink, navy, and white marble to it. I think it's also really cute. So this case has the exact same packaging as the other one, the same coral and cream color, with the same information about the case at the back. So now I'm going to open it. I absolutely love the way that the colors of this case go together. I think it looks super duper cute. This case also has the same exact paper inside with information about the warranty. This case is also equally as durable and strong, and I think it'll look really nice on my phone. So now I'm going to put the case on my phone. I really love the way that the silver of my phone goes with the navy, pink, and white marbling of the case. Again, this case also has frosted sides, which I think looks really cute, and is equally as thin while still being really protected. I absolutely love marble, and the way that these colors go together to make this design is super nice. Now I'm going to be unboxing this case, which has sunflowers and a few other flowers on it. I think it's super perfect for the spring. This case also has the same exact packaging with information at the back about the case, so now I'm going to open it. The first thing I noticed about this case is that the colors are really vibrant, which I think is super, super nice. So I'm going to take the piece of paper out of the case. Oops. And this is what it looks like. Same frosted sides, same durability and strength of the case. And I think it looks really cute. It's really nice and clear, which is perfect. So now I'm going to put the case on my phone. So this is what it looks like. I think this case is absolutely perfect for spring, especially with the daisies and sunflower design that it has. Again, the frosted sides, a really nice added touch. And I think this case is just so perfect for any type of spring occasion. Lastly, I'm going to be unboxing this case, which has beautiful butterflies on it. This case also has the same exact packaging, the coral and cream color, and on the back just has more information about the case. So now I'm going to open it. Now I'm going to take out the paper from the inside. And this is what this case looks like. I love butterflies. I think they look really cute as a pattern. And I definitely really love this case. I love clear cases in general, but the ones with the designs on it just make the case so much better. And I really like this one, as well as all the other cases that I received today. But this is so nice. Now I'm going to put the case on my phone. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks amazing, the way that the butterflies go against the silver color of my phone. And then again, the frosted sides. And this case definitely is really strong, but doesn't make your phone feel bulky, which I absolutely love. What I especially love about Sonix cases is how they cover the volume button, the power button, and how they also cover here. A lot of cases will kind of just like stop on the sides here, leaving this exposed. But I really like how Sonix cases cover that, which just adds a lot of protection to your phone. Overall, I really enjoyed unboxing Sonix cases, and I love every single case that I received. These cases are all so pretty and go with my phone perfectly. Please make sure to check out the description box down below for a link to Sonix's website so you can purchase some of these wonderful cases for yourself. With that comes the end of today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed me unboxing these wonderful cases from the brand Sonix. Again, a link to Sonix's website will be in the description box down below. If you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!